Now, this year's union budget, which was just announced by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, had a lot of major announcements related to tech, crypto and even automobiles. Now, from taxation on digital assets to digital passports being issued to people like you and me, here are some of the top announcements that are tech related made at this year's union budget. So as per the new budget, the transfer of all digital assets from one person to the other will be taxed at 30%. Now, there are a lot of people who have taken to social media to question whether crypto and NFTs will also come under the 30% tax. But right now, there is no clarity on that. If we go by speculation, crypto will come under this tax and all crypto transfers from one party to another will attract a flat 30% tax. But if crypto is taxed, will investors get any security? What about regulations on crypto exchanges? There remain a lot of unanswered questions in this space. Here are some important things that you should note. First, any income from all the virtual or digital assets will be taxed at 30%. Second, gifts of virtual assets will be taxed at the receiver's end. This could also be a way to discourage people from investing in crypto and move to the RBI-issued digital currency, which is being said to be rolled out soon. Yes, the Reserve Bank of India will issue a digital currency in the year 22-23. The currency will be based on blockchain technology and will create a more efficient currency management system for the country. This move will also give a boost to our digital economy and also help build a more robust digital payments ecosystem. Now, 5G has been in the news for a very long time, and there will finally be a 5G spectrum auction in 2022, which will facilitate the rollout of 5G services in India by private telecom operators. Nirmala Sitharaman added that the contract for laying optical fiber in all villages, including remote areas, will be awarded through the Bharat NET project through PPP in 2022-23. So, smartphone users will soon be able to experience 5G in India. While announcing the budget, Nirmala Sitharaman also announced that the citizens of the country will be issued e-passports, which will function the same way as a regular passport, but these will be digital. But here's what you need to know. These passports will come with embedded chips that will store all your information like your name, date of birth and other details. Currently, India only issues printed passports, but the concept of e-passports have already been available in many countries globally like the US, the UK and Germany. And now India will also join this list. Another key announcement that was made during the union budget was on EVs, that is electric vehicles. As per this announcement, a new battery swapping policy will be introduced to promote electric vehicles. This is also another way of promoting the adoption of EVs in India. Not much is known about the policy yet, but this will sure give a boost to the EV, automobile and lithium-ion battery manufacturing sector. It seems that India is already warming up to the concept of drones, as Nirmala Sitharaman announced the Drone Shakti program in this union budget. Now, this program aims to promote drones as a service in the country, as startups are expected to facilitate application of drones in various sectors. Now, the government is also looking to promote the AVGC sector, which means there will be a lot of developments and promotions of animations, visual effects, gaming and the comic sector. The task force will work with all stakeholders to recommend ways to realize the objective and build domestic capacity for serving India's markets and meet global demands as well. During the session, Nirmala Sitharaman said that in 2022, 1.5 lakh post offices in the country will come under a core banking system, enabling financial inclusion and access to accounts through net banking, mobile banking, ATMs, and provide online transfer of funds between post office accounts and bank accounts. The union budget is also bringing about some tweaks for custom duties, which will facilitate domestic manufacturing of hearables and wearables. Duty concessions have been given to parts of transformers of phone chargers, camera lenses and other items. As of now, no direct tax hike on phones has been announced. To support Make in India even further, the government will also extend the period of incorporation of the eligible startups by one more year to March 31st, 2023. So these were some of the major announcements made at this year's union budget, mostly tech, crypto and automobile related. If you are satisfied with this year's budget or have any comments on the same, do mention them in the comments section, and also head to Gadgets 360 for more detailed information about the union budget. This is Cyrus John signing off. I'll see you in the next video.